Welcome to the Mall of Muscat.
We in the mall, baby. Let's get it shopping.
Gonna go explore, see what's here. We're just here to show you guys what's here, not actually go and shop. Imagine if that just broke. Right there. And shark. Oh, there's another one. Nice. We don't want any coffee though. You want coffee? Are you ordering? A lot of stuff isn't open yet because it's brand new, so they're just putting in stores. Like this Victoria's Secret. Wait. No, it's, oh, just kidding, that's open. Right here. They even have a humongous aquarium. Well, we didn't go in the aquarium just yet, but we're gonna go there soon. Maybe shoot a video with them, so I have to contact them and then we will get to go inside and show you guys the inside of it. But now, look where we are. This is the food court now that we're in. Oh yeah, there's the extreme zone right there. So this is gonna be, I think, like the food court part 2, and they have all these restaurants that are opening right behind me. There's also like a snow thing, which looks really dope. We're definitely gonna come back when that thing's open. This is where the snow thing I think is gonna be. We got the Eiffel Tower over here. Dude, that sign is literally so bright. We got a nice little cinema right here. Just keeps going down. So apparently they have the biggest like Lulus in here. We gotta go get some groceries as well. So this mall is like 4 floors and Lulu's is on the bottom floor. So if you guys do come to Oman, I would highly recommend checking out the Mall of Muscat. It's super cool, brand new. Guys, they got a Glory Jeans too. Jen, our favorite place. All right guys, we're gonna take you guys inside Lulu's, show you around. This thing is pretty big. We got some biscuits over here.
What's up, boys? We're going for a little spin.
Oh! Thank you very much. Cheese. Chicken.
Ready? Hey, wait.
What are you doing?
What are you back here?
Chad, like this. Go, go, go. No, forward. Go forward.
Oh, this way?
Yeah. That fish stank. Boom. Such a legend. Mexican style.
This is expensive
$2
too.
reals for some cheese. How much? How much you spend?
24 reals. I think that's probably about, what, 30, 40 bucks?
40 bucks. Looks like
We did pretty good, you know. We got chili, quesadillas.
How many meals total? Total?
Like 5. We have grilled cheese.
It's like what, 40? I mean, that's like...
I'd say it lasts a week and a half, you know.
Hamburgers, maybe salsa and chicken. What else? Cereal.
Milk.
Milk.
Cheese with it, man.
Salsa?
Tell them how much the cheese was.
Oh yeah, the cheese was probably more than like our entire thing. It was like 4, no, it was like 4 reals because they're like 2 a piece and we got 2. What the hell are you doing? I think this, damn.
So I'm going. What?
We're not done with the tour yet. We have to find the exit first. Lower ground.
That seems like the right thing.
Yep.
Now,
That was pretty easy.
Oh, over there.
Ooh, it's humid.
Just a cereal box. Right?
Come on,
Everything,
guys, save the
everything needs its own bag. You can't. It's like if this box touches this box, it'll contaminate the chips, and they'll be good. That concludes our tour of the mall. So if you guys are in Oman, make sure to check out the Mall of Muscat. And yeah, it's really humid outside.
Woo! Sweating already. I just walked outside, baby. Come on.
We didn't get to do everything in the mall, but we are gonna come back sometime soon, see the aquarium, and check out the rest of it. Not everything's open. Catch you guys next week.